This is the newest iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now I talk about the features of this iPhone. Subscribe for more Apple videos. Okay, let's go on to the video. Okay, Apple has just launched the brand new iPhone 17 Pro. It comes with a stunning 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion 120 Hz and record-breaking brightness. Inside, it's powered by the blazing fast, a 19 Pro chip with smarter Apple Intelligence features built right in. The camera system is all new, with 3 powerful 48-megapixel lenses and up to 8x optical quality zoom for incredible photos and videos. Apple has also added vapor chamber cooling for better performance, and the new Ceramic Shield 2 makes it tougher than ever. Battery life is longer, video recording is smoother, and overall, this is the most advanced iPhone yet. So, what do you think about the iPhone 17 Pro? Let me know in the comments.